Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Smartsheet templates step by step. Whether you're totally new to Smartsheet or just looking to streamline your workflow with templates, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to find, select, and customize the perfect template for your needs. This process can save you a ton of time and help you organize your work with just a few clicks, so let's dive right in. First things first, from the Smartsheet home page, you're going to look for that little plus button. You can't miss it. It's usually down near the bottom or off to the side. Go ahead and click that. The plus button is how you create anything new in Smartsheet, whether that's a blank sheet, an import, or in this case, a template. If you're brand new, don't worry, Smartsheet's interface is clean and doesn't overwhelm you with too many choices at once. When you click this button, you'll instantly see an assortment of options like Start from Scratch or Import. Now here's the trick to seeing all the possibilities. Find the option that says View All Templates and click it. At this point, Smartsheet opens up its library of templates for you to browse through. This is where you really start to see the value. Instead of reinventing the wheel for every new project, you can choose from dozens of professionally designed templates. Everything from project management trackers, IT requests and support ticket systems, asset and license management, all the way to marketing calendars and so much more. Take a moment to scroll, explore, and even use the search bar if you have something specific in mind. I always recommend pausing here, especially if it's your first time and just surfing through what's available. Sometimes you'll stumble on a template that gives you new ideas about how you can organize your work, even beyond your original intention. Next, it's time to pick a template. For this video, I'm going with the Client Tracker template, but you should pick whatever fits your needs. Just click on the template you want and Smartsheet will show you a preview. Think of it like flipping over the box before you buy a board game, just to check out what's inside. If it looks right, hit the Create from Template button. If you're not sure, you can always go back and try a different one. Nothing is set in stone. Once you've created your sheet from the template, this is where the real magic happens. Customization. Right now, the template will look pretty generic, but don't let that intimidate you. You can edit column names, add or remove fields, change text, colors, and even adjust the format to perfectly match your specific workflow. For example, if you're using the Client Tracker but want to track milestones instead of clients, just tweak those labels. Think of templates as a foundation, like a blueprint for a house, and now you're the architect, free to build it out however you like. This might take a few minutes, but trust me, putting in that little bit of effort up front will pay off in a more efficient, organized process down the road. And remember, if you make a mistake, you can always undo changes or start fresh with another template. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, opening the Templates menu, browsing all templates, picking your favorite, and then tailoring it to your needs, you'll have a customized, professional-looking tool in Smartsheet ready to go within minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions about Smartsheet templates, or if there's another feature you'd like me to walk through, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.